who is locked.
Already here?
You're it. And you, Sherry Matthews. You say that horror movies give you a rush of adrenaline. But adrenaline is not the only thing coursing through your veins, is it, Sherry? Do your friends know about your secret addiction? Do they know about the things that you have stolen from them to feed those addictions? And what of you, Charles Roebuck? You say horror movies are just an escape. But what are you running from? Could it be the alcoholism that is ruining your life? Even now, do you feel the weight of that bottle you've got hidden away in your jacket?
Esther.
The one you snuck past security.
No, he did not.
The day of reckoning has arrived for all of you.
Even me?
But to survive this test, you are going to need help.
Okay.
You see, this is a group test. And to succeed, you must survive it together. The game is about to begin. Will your selfish individual needs trump the safety and well-being of the group?
Probably.
Remember, stay together, for even if one of you doesn't make it to the other side, you will all pay the ultimate price. Lose one, lose all. Live or die. The choice is up to you. Let the game begin.
Oh no, guys, you heard him all. You gotta stick together. Buddy system, buddy up. It's all about the buddy system. You gotta survive together. All right.
Recording.
To make the ball stop spinning, you must do what all good
He's saying no, you can't do that.
best.
Yeah,
You
he
must
said like that.
scream. And the walls will stop spinning. The door will open.
Oh, she doesn't have the things to get
You will be
closer.
free to go. If you fail,
What happens if we fail? What? Oh no. Okay, guys, you heard the puppet. To make the wall stop spinning, we need to scream as loud as we can. So at the count of three, we're gonna scream. 1, 2, 3! Okay, it worked. Another turn. What do you think of the phone? It's happening again. Okay, guys, we really need to scream. Give me your best Halloween scream at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3!
congratulations.
Okay, we made it. What? We lost?
Can't send you away without a parting gift.
Ooh, gift. I love gifts.
In 10 seconds, the entire vehicle will be sprayed with a powerful acid compound, dissolving flesh and bone on contact.
Oh no, not a powerful acid compound that dissolves flesh and bones.
Game over.
Well, apparently we're not gonna get sprayed on with powerful acid compound because somebody just stood up in the second car. Thank you very much, Mr. Man. All right, but I guess
You survive.
The Jigsaw Killer may be dead, but the murders continue.
For the next test,
I'm gonna help you.
see Saw 6
This is it!
in theaters this Halloween. Saw 6 in theaters everywhere this Halloween.
that's right, on theaters everywhere.
Try it out for free, guys. Soft photo. Ponte la página dentro de tu cara nomás. Try it out.
Yeah, when you're a kid.
Recording. I'm recording.
How do you take it off?